Okay, be honest. When your alarm goes off in the morning, do you jump out of bed ready to take on the world? Or do you hit snooze 5 times and feel like a zombie? Because here's the thing, how you answer that question changes everything about how you talk in English. And today, Max and I are going to show you exactly how morning people and night people speak differently in English. Stay with us because by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one you are and how to talk about it like a native speaker.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Thanks, Max. And wow, I am so excited about today's topic.
Me too. So here's what we're doing today. We're talking about morning people versus night people. And this isn't just vocabulary, we're teaching you real conversations, natural phrases, and how English speakers actually talk about their daily routines and energy levels.
Exactly. And by the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your own sleep habits, understand when someone says they're a morning person or a night owl, and join conversations about daily routines with total confidence.
Plus, we'll give you some fun phrases that will make you sound supernatural, so stick around.
All right, Max, let's start with a simple question. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Oh, I am definitely not a morning person. I need at least 2 cups of coffee before I can even think straight.
See, that's a perfect example right there. Max just used a really common phrase. I need coffee before I can think straight. That means you can't focus or function well without coffee.
Right. And Lily, what about you?
Oh, I'm totally a morning person. I love waking up early. The sunrise, the quiet, the fresh air. It just gives me energy.
See, that's the difference. Lily jumps out of bed, and I struggle to even open my eyes.
Okay, so let's break this down for everyone listening. First, let's learn the basic terms. A morning person is someone who feels energetic and happy in the morning.
And a night person, or we also say night owl, is someone who feels more awake and productive at night.
Right, so night owl is super common. We use it all the time. I'm a night owl, means you stay up late and you like the nighttime.
Now, let's look at some real examples. Imagine you're talking to a friend. They might ask you, "Are you a morning person?"
And you could say, no way, I'm definitely a night owl. Or you could say, yeah, I love mornings. I always wake up early.
Let's practice that. Everyone listening, repeat after Lily. I'm a morning person.
I'm a morning person. Good. Now say, I'm a night owl.
I'm a night owl. Perfect. Okay, now let's talk about morning routines. Lily, what do you do in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up around 6, then I make a cup of tea, do some stretching, and I feel ready for the day.
Nice. So Lily said, I feel ready for the day. That's a great phrase. It means you have energy and motivation to start working or doing things.
What about you, Max? What's your morning like?
Honestly, I hit the snooze button like 3 or 4 times. Then I drag myself out of bed.
Drag myself out of bed. That's such a good phrase. It means it's really hard to get up. You have no energy.
Exactly. I don't feel awake until maybe 10 or 11 in the morning.
Okay, so let's give our listeners some more useful phrases. If you're a morning person, you might say, I'm an early riser. That means you wake up early naturally.
And if you're a night person, you might say, I'm not a morning person at all, or I stay up late every night.
Right. Now let's talk about energy. Morning people often say things like, I have the most energy in the morning, or I get things done before noon.
And night people say, I'm more productive at night, or I can't focus in the morning.
Let's practice. Everyone, repeat this. I have the most energy in the morning.
I have the most energy in the morning. Great. Now say, I'm more productive at night.
I'm more productive at night. Awesome. Now, here's a fun part. Let's talk about problems. Morning people and night people have different struggles.
Oh, yes. For example, night owls hate early morning meetings.
So true. I hate when I have a meeting at 8 in the morning. I just can't think clearly.
You might say, I'm not fully awake yet, or I need more coffee.
And morning people, they don't like staying up late. Lily, what happens if you stay up past midnight? I get so tired. I can barely keep my eyes open. I always say I need to go to bed early.
Right. So I can barely keep my eyes open means you're extremely tired and sleepy.
Okay, let's look at a real conversation. Imagine two friends talking. Listen carefully.
Hey, do you want to meet for breakfast tomorrow at 7?
7? Are you serious? I'm not a morning person. Can we meet later?
Sure, how about 10?
Perfect. That works for me.
See how natural that was? The night owl asked to meet later because mornings are hard.
Now let's try another conversation. This time, a night owl invites a morning person out late.
Hey, let's go out tonight. There's a party starting at 11.
11? That's so late. I'll be asleep by then. I'm a morning person.
Oh, come on, just this once?
Sorry, I really can't. I wake up at 5 every day.
Perfect example. The morning person explained why they can't. They wake up early.
Okay, wait. Before we go further, I want to ask you something. Do you know the number one mistake learners make when talking about their daily routine?
Ooh, good question.
Most learners say, I am wake up early, but that's wrong.
Right, you should say, I wake up early. No am needed.
Another mistake is, I am a morning people. It should be morning person, singular.
Yes, or if you're talking about more than one, you'd say, we are morning people.
So, quick check. Say this correctly. I wake up early.
I wake up early. Good. Now say, I'm a night owl.
I'm a night owl. Perfect.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice. We're going to do a mini role play. Imagine someone asks you, are you a morning person or a night person?
Think about your answer. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Okay, now say your answer out loud. Use one of these phrases. I'm a morning person or I'm a night owl.
Go ahead. Pause and say it. We'll wait.
Great job. Now let's make it more interesting. Explain why. If you're a morning person, you could say, I'm a morning person because I love the quiet mornings.
Or if you're a night owl, say, I'm a night owl because I feel more creative at night.
Your turn again. Say your full answer with the reason. Pause the video and practice.
Excellent. Now let's learn some bonus phrases you can use in conversations.
If someone wakes you up early, you might say, I'm not fully awake yet. Try saying that.
I'm not fully awake yet. Good.
If you love mornings, you might say, I love starting my day early. Say it.
I love starting my day early. Awesome.
And if you stay up late, you can say, I'm a night owl, so I usually go to bed after midnight. Try it.
I'm a night owl, so I usually go to bed after midnight. Perfect. Now, let's talk about real situations where you'll use these phrases. At work, your boss might ask, can you come to a meeting at 7 in the morning?
If you're a night owl, you could politely say, I'm not really a morning person. Could we schedule it a bit later?
That's polite and professional. You're explaining your preference without being rude.
Another situation. You're talking to a new friend. They ask you, do you want to hang out late tonight?
If you're a morning person, you could say, I'd love to, but I usually go to bed early. Can we meet earlier in the day?
See, you're being friendly and honest about your schedule.
Now, what if someone says to you, you're always so energetic in the morning? How do you respond? You could say, thanks, I'm definitely a morning person. I love early mornings.
Or if someone says, how do you stay up so late? You could say, I'm a night owl. I just have more energy at night.
These are natural, common responses. You'll hear native speakers say these all the time.
Let's add a few more useful words and phrases. First, early riser. This means someone who wakes up early naturally.
Example, my dad is an early riser. He wakes up at 5 every day.
Next, sleep in. This means to wake up later than usual, especially on weekends.
Example, on Sundays, I love to sleep in until 9 or 10.
Next, pull an all-nighter. This means staying awake all night, usually for work or study.
Example, I had to pull an all-nighter to finish my project.
And here's a fun one, burning the midnight oil. It means working late into the night.
Example, she's been burning the midnight oil studying for her exams.
These phrases make you sound really natural and fluent.
Okay, here is something interesting. In English-speaking countries, being a morning person is often seen as positive.
Yeah, there are sayings like, the early bird gets the worm, which means people who wake up early have more opportunities.
But honestly, it's totally fine to be a night owl too. Everyone has different energy patterns.
Exactly. The important thing is knowing how to talk about your schedule and preferences in English.
And being respectful of other people's schedules too.
Right. If your friend is a morning person and you're not, just communicate clearly. Say, I'm more of a night person, so mornings are tough for me.
Perfect. Honest communication makes everything easier.
All right, we're almost done, but stick with us. We have one more bonus tip at the end that will really help you sound confident.
Yes, don't go anywhere.
Okay, let's quickly review everything we learned today. First, the two main types, morning person and night owl or night person.
A morning person loves mornings, wakes up early, and has energy in the morning.
A night owl stays up late, feels more awake at night, and is not good in the mornings.
We also learned phrases like, I'm an early riser, I sleep in, I drag myself out of bed, and I can barely keep my eyes open.
We practiced saying, I wake up early, and I'm more productive at night.
And we looked at real conversations, like politely explaining your schedule to friends or coworkers.
Remember, it's okay to be a morning person or a night owl. Just know how to talk about it in English.
Exactly. The key is using these natural phrases in real conversations.
All right, everyone, you did amazing today. Seriously, if you practiced along with us, you're already improving.
And here's the thing, learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about practice, trying, and having fun with it.
So here's your challenge. In the comments, tell us, are you a morning person or a night owl? And use one phrase we taught you today.
For example, write, I'm a night owl because I'm more productive at night, or I'm a morning person, I love waking up early.
We read every single comment, and we'll love hearing from you.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.
And here's a little preview. Next time, we're teaching you how to talk about your hobbies in English. You'll learn phrases like, I'm into photography, and I'm really passionate about music.
It's going to be so fun. You don't want to miss it.
All right, before we go, here's that bonus tip we promised.
Yes, so when you're talking about your routine, always add a reason or detail. Don't just say, I wake up early. Say, I wake up early because I love the quiet mornings.
This makes your English sound more natural and conversational. Native speakers always add details like that.
So practice that. Add reasons and details to your answers.
All right, everyone. Thanks so much for listening to Mr. Englishman today.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, you're doing great.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.